another one of my vlog. For today's video is another free product to review from Elegiant. So what's included with the product is Elegiant wireless handheld vacuum, nozzle, brush, 2 hose adapters, USB charging cable, and ayan yung hose. Of course, the manual. Ito na siya. Elegiant Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. So this is portable handheld vacuum cleaner. Nagamit ko na siya yesterday. I already used this yesterday when I cleaned my couch. So I will show you later how this powerful small handheld vacuum cleaner really works. Very small lang siya. Small lang siya. Very cute handheld vacuum. Yan. Isang dangkal at kalahati. Yan. So this Elegiant handheld vacuum, friends, is also a rechargeable. So I charged this for I think 5 hours before I use this. Cordless siya. This handheld vacuum is very convenient. It has strong suction power. So when I use this, nung ginamit ko siya, ang lakas niya maghigop. Ang ano niya maghigop, very strong. Nahigop niya yung dapat mahigop. Ayan, lighter lang siya. Very light. So we will try this nozzle. I want to try this nozzle. Now it's time to clean my couch. My couch is really dirty because of the lint from my clothes. all for today's video. If you would like to purchase this vacuum, click the link provided in the description below. You can check out on Amazon. Let me know what you think in the comment. If you have any question, if you like my video today, give me a thumbs up and subscribe na rin sa aking channel para updated kayo every time I upload a new video. So, pasensya na sa aking Englisher. See you in my next vlog!